Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss this nice geometry problem. As you can see, you have given a 2 cross 2 square ABCD and E is the midpoint of AB, whereas F is the midpoint of the side BC, and AF and ED intersect at the point I, and also you have given at the point of intersection H, which is obviously the intersection point of BD, diagonal of the square BD, and the segment AF. And what you have to find? You have to find out the area of this quadrilateral BEIH. Okay, you have to find out the area of quadrilateral BEIH. So let's get started. I am going to start with the problem with a very important construction. First, I am going to join E and H. Construction. Join E and H. Okay, now if we suppose the area of triangle, BHF is X, then obviously the area of triangle BHE is also X, because these two triangle BHF and triangle BHE, both are congruent. I think this is a very simple, from very simple geometry. BHF is congruent triangle, BHE, BEH. These two triangles are congruent because BF is equals to BE, and we know that the diagonal of the square bisect the interior angle, so this angle is equals to this angle, and this side is common by side angle side congruency theorem. Both triangles are congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent, then obviously the area be the same. The area of triangle BEH is also X. Okay, let triangle area of triangle BHF is X, then obviously area of triangle BHE is also X. Now if you focus at triangle AHB, E is what? E is the midpoint of AB. E is the midpoint of AB, therefore HE becomes what? HE becomes the median of the triangle AHB, and everybody knows median bisect the area. So if we suppose area of triangle IEH as Y and area of triangle AEI is Z, then we can say that there is one more observation: X equals to Y plus Z. Okay, X equals to Y plus Z. So the area of triangle, what is the area of triangle ABF? This is X, and this total is also X. X plus X plus X, and area of triangle is what? Half into base. Base means BF. BF is what? 1 unit, and the height AB is 2 unit. So the area of triangle AB is 1 unit. From here we can find the value of X. X is what? X is clearly 1 by 3. X is clearly 1 by 3. Okay. Next, we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral BEIH. For this we have to find the value of Y also, because this quadrilateral is area X plus Y. So what can we do to find the value of Y? What can we do? Okay, there is one more congruency. We can say that triangle ABF, if you look at the triangle ABF, then this triangle is congruent to triangle ADE. These two triangles are also congruent. Okay, and if these two triangles are congruent, then you can also say that if we rotate triangle ABF clockwise about the center of the square, suppose this one is the center of the square, and I want to rotate this triangle by 90 degree in clockwise direction, then obviously AB will overlap with the side AD, and BF will overlap with AE, and this side AF will overlap with DE. Okay, and AB, and if AB is perpendicular to AD, and BF is perpendicular to AE, then obviously third side AF will perpendicular to DE. So my observation is this angle is what? This angle becomes 90 degree by rotation. If we rotate, I am repeating this statement, if we rotate this triangle ABF about the center of the square clockwise sense by 90 degree, then obviously this triangle will overlap with the triangle ADE. Okay, so we can say that this triangle, the angle AIE is 90 degree. And if you have any kind of confusion in this rotation theory, then I can use something else. I can use a basic trigonometry. With the help of basic trigonometry, I can also prove this angle is 90 degree. Suppose this angle is theta. Then what is the value of tan theta from triangle ABF? Find the value of tan theta from triangle ABF. Clearly, tan theta is BF upon AB. BF upon AB is what? BF upon AB is 1 by 2. Okay, tan theta is 1 by 2. Okay, and suppose this angle is phi. Then what is the value of tan phi from triangle ADE? Tan phi is AD upon AE. That comes out to be 2. Tan theta is half, tan phi is 2, and these two results taken together imply tan theta into tan phi. Tan theta into tan phi is 1, and with tan theta into tan phi becomes 1, this implies theta plus phi is what? Theta plus phi is 90 degree, and if theta plus phi is 90 degree, then this remaining angle is clearly 90 degree. Okay, so this will imply this way. I can write over here angle AIE. Angle AIE is 90 degree. Okay, so this angle is 90, this angle is phi, here this angle is 90. Okay, I am searching two triangles which are similar, so I think triangle AIE is similar to AE DAE, I think. DAE. Triangle AIE is similar to triangle DAE, and we know that the ratio of area of two similar triangle, area of AIE upon area of DAE equals to what? Is equals to I think DE upon A, because we are familiar with AE, so here I want to pick DE upon AE square. And what about what is the length of DE? This length is 2, this length is 1, so by Pythagoras theorem DE is clearly root 5. So this becomes 5 and AE is what? 1. 5 upon 1. Okay, and what is the area of triangle DAE? The area of triangle DAE is 1. DAE is 1. Sorry, I have written the wrong ratio. This one is obviously AI is in numerator, so we can write AE upon D. I think AE upon D becomes 1 over 5. So okay, so area of AIE is what? Z. Area of DAE is 1. Z upon 1 is 1 by 5, implies Z is 1 by 5. What is the sum by plus Z? By plus Z is actually X, and the value of X is 1 by 3. Since by plus Z equals to X, its value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So the value of Y is what? 1 by 3 minus Z. Minus Z means 1 by 5. The LCM is clearly 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 15, that is 2 over 15. Y is 2 over 15. Therefore, what is the area of quadrilateral BEIH? The area of quadrilateral BEIH is clearly X plus Y. what is the value of x? It is 1 by 3. And what is the value of y? It is 2 over 15. So this sum becomes what? 3 5s are 15, 5 plus 2. Answer is 7 over 15. Okay, so the correct option is C. Okay, thanks for watching.